another coming over. Here's something you can see. Yeah. Here's the young lady, look at the Kington age. Yeah. And what's this young lady's name? Rowena. Right, Rowena? So if you turn up, you get sweets anyway. But we've got to win. Yeah. And we'll tell you when. You listen to your mum. Your mum will tell you when. Pardon? 2 hours free. Yeah, well, yeah, no, we're going to, yeah. I'll tell you when to call, right? Don't use up too much energy, yeah? Right, now then, young Barnett.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah, you all right? You've had a few burgers today, have you? Yeah, well done. Get your strength up. Here's it.
Sounds really nice.
Are we ready? Is anybody else would like to come in? Hey? Come on, Willie. Nice.
Yeah, we spotted that
When
one.
you're ready, steam engine. When you're ready, don't forget. Who's the judge? Graham? Graham's the judge. Graham's the boss man. When he says we win, we win. All right. Graham's older. Yeah, he's older. Graham's older than you. He's older than most people. Graham. All right. Okay, so you ready? Yeah. Watch out. Here we go. Now then, when I say Paul, we'll watch Graham. Graham, when you're ready, drop your hand and say we're on. Okay. Now then, Paul, you come on, guys. Now that's it there. That's it. Otis, pull up. Paul, quick. We're backwards. We're going. Come on, young lady.